What's going on YouTube? I've just picked up the Destiny bundle for the PS4. As you can see, it's the white one. It's no different from the black one, but I'm going to do an unboxing anyway. So without further ado, let's get into the box. Take the sheet off. Just put that over there. It's out of the way. And inside we've got standard just white box with nothing on, apart from the back, which has got a few bits of information which you don't really need to know. Right down. As I move this out of the way, and then I'll put the PlayStation and all the stuff up on here. So first thing on top of the box is the game itself of Destiny. Put that there if we stand that up. It'll probably fall down, but here, and put it there. And then we have the pretty sexy white DualShock 4, which is just there. It's quite nice and shiny. It's pretty. So put that to one side as well. Put that next to that. And then you've just got your manuals, which no one reads and cares about. Then it's just standard cables, so power cable, headset, controller charger cable, and HDMI, all standard cables like you get with any PS4. And then sheet off. The main things up, and there goes Destiny. I knew it would. You stay there. And the Glacier White PS4, which is pretty sexual. Oh, okay, I'm on the floor. Can stay down there. So it's exactly the same as the black one, just a white one. Still 500 gig hard drive, but it just looks a lot nicer than the black one, I think. And that's about it. So that's a really short unboxing of the PS4, the White Glacier Destiny bundle, but I can't really say any more about it because it is exactly the same as the black one. So there you go, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!